In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Y-intercept on a graph in Microsoft Excel. First, open your Excel file. Once you're inside the worksheet, make sure your data is ready to go. In this example, we have a simple data set with X values and Y values. This is important because Excel uses those paired values to build the graph and calculate the relationship between them. The next step is to create a scatter plot. To do that, select your data first. Be sure to include both the X values and the Y values because Excel needs both columns to plot the points correctly. After selecting the data, go to the top menu bar and click the Insert tab. From there, choose the scatter chart, the one shown as dots. As soon as you click it, Excel will place a scatter chart directly onto your sheet. A scatter plot is the best option here because it shows the relationship between numerical X and Y values clearly. That makes it easier to add a line of best fit and identify the Y-intercept from the equation. Once the chart is visible, the next step is to add a trend line. Click on any one of the data points in the scatter plot so Excel knows which data series you want to work with. Then right-click and choose Add Trend Line. When you do this, a formatting panel will open on the right side of the screen. In that panel, choose Linear. This tells Excel to fit a straight line to your data, which is what you want when looking for the Y-intercept in a linear relationship. Now that the trend line has been added, you're ready to show the equation on the chart. In the same panel on the right, check the box labeled Display Equation on Chart. Excel will then place the equation directly on the graph. You'll see something in the format of y equals mx plus b. For example, it might look like y equals 2x plus 0, although the exact numbers will depend on your data. The y-intercept is the constant value at the end of the equation, the number after the plus or minus sign. That number represents where the line crosses the y-axis when x equals 0. If needed, you can click and drag the equation box to a clearer spot on the chart so it's easier to read. And that's it. That's how to find the Y-intercept on a graph in Microsoft Excel.